Hello guys, it's your boy Matt from Random Talk, and once more you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so on today's video we'll be doing a rundown tutorial on how to use the privilege sewing machine and all steps necessary and everything you need to know about the machine. Okay, so here is our machine. It has been unboxed. Firstly, go at the side. Here is the power. Here is the power switch, and for you to turn on your machine you just have to take on the switch. You take your thread. Here is the first pin, so you have to pass your thread into it. Okay, good. So you slide downward. Okay guys, so once you're done, So it's 100% good. So now let's have a try and see how it goes. So this is it, guys. So you see, this is our material. We tried it and it worked perfectly. So okay, I wish you the best as you try to do this on your own. Please, if you have any difficulties or you have any problem facing in your own machine, please drop it at the comment section while I see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share for you get notified each time I upload a new video.